Welcome to my blog. So this site was designed for a teacher resource about the ocean, animals and the sea. So if we scroll down a little bit, you can see that the purpose, there's a few bits and pieces around the place. So it was designed to meet the curriculum standards. So let's click over up here on the blog. This is how we navigate around the site. Okay, now as you can see when it loads, we have our lesson plan, we have the overview of all of the tasks, we have the activities you can go straight into, and we have about the author. So if we go over to the overview, it will just take a second to load. Okay, you can see, you can click on bits and have a look around. Okay. Now, it meets all of the curriculum standards for Year 2 Science, which is pretty handy. And we'll take a closer look at the task focus, shall we? Yep, so as you can read here, it's designed to help you as a Year 2 Science teacher. It helps students. And right here, this is all of the things straight out of the curriculum, all of the requirements and all of the code numbers for every curriculum number that it involves, which is pretty useful. They also use a few other skills such as IT, physics, maths, that sort of stuff. Pretty cool. Okay, let's go back over here now. So the whole design of this is a bunch of activities. We'll just start down here, shall we? Okay, so there are 3, 4, 5, 9, 10. There are 11 activities in total. All are ocean themed, all have something to do with the ocean and encompass Year 2 Science curriculum, which is pretty cool. Now the end product, we'll just go back over here. Our end product is creating a diorama. So we'll click on this one, end product. Okay, skip on past the rational and scrolling down. Okay, so the end product is the creation of a diorama and then the student's reflection on their diorama. So if we go up here and I'll find the activity with the example end products that I have created down here. Okay, so here you can see when it wants to load, this is the end product, the diorama that we have created. So this is how to make a diorama in case you are unsure of how to do that or have never made one. Here are a few things you might want to use. Alrighty, so let's just, right, so here we have our example end products, which you can see I've created 2 of these. They've got paint, real life ocean things and other materials, things that you find everyday craft materials really. So this is our end product the children will be creating. Another thing that we have over here in our overview is our meaningful learning. So we address our 5 characteristics of meaningful learning and how it is done in this setting with these tasks. We have our makers movement. Now this is the whole idea of the whole topic is the makers movement. It's a very, very important concept and it's why we do a lot of the creative stuff we do with children. Now down here is some different ways you can assess the children, things that they will know by the end of the topic. Okay, so the digital technologies that we will use in something like this are let's have a look, we'll dive into one of the activities, shall we? So how about this one here? Okay, so for activity 6, there's a video, there's a form to print out, there's another video, and there's a web to create. But in some of the other ones, we have other activities that I have created myself, and we have games. And so this all helps the children learn by letting them reflect on the journey and by reflecting on what they have done. Let's just stop that one, shall we? All right. So clicking over on here. So activity 5, you can see the video. You can see this here is the activity sheet that I've created. And here is another ocean themed game the children can play as well. So by using digital technology, the students are able to learn effectively. It's an interactive tool, so they are having fun whilst they're doing it rather than just getting told the information. And it's providing a bit of repetition through fun games like this. So that's pretty cool. Another awesome thing is that they can go home and play a game such as this one on their own or with their mum or dad. So it's more like fun homework as well. All right, let's head on back home. We'll have another look around here. And that pretty much brings us to the end of our site tour. If you need any more information, you can read through the purpose, or you can head on over to all of these very specific documents. Okay, thank you. Bye.